In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix WordPress error 524 step by step. If you're seeing error 524 on your website, especially when using Cloudflare, it usually means your server is taking too long to respond. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to diagnose and fix it. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by visiting yourdomain.com/wp-admin and logging in with your credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, we'll begin troubleshooting from the WordPress side before making deeper server changes. Now, the first major step is to temporarily pause Cloudflare. Since error 524 is a Cloudflare timeout error, we need to see what's happening behind the scenes. Log into your Cloudflare account, go to the DNS settings for your domain, and look for the orange cloud icon next to your domain record. Click it to turn it gray so it says DNS only. This disables the proxy temporarily and allows you to see the real server response. Once you've done that, try reloading your website. If you now see a different error, such as a 504 gateway timeout or another server-related message, that gives you a clearer idea of the root cause. Next, let's check for plugin or theme conflicts, which are one of the most common causes of error 524. Inside your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and deactivate all of them at once. After that, go to Appearance and switch your theme to a default WordPress theme, like 2024. Once you've done this, try loading your site again. If the error disappears, then one of your plugins or your theme is causing the issue. Reactivate them one by one, checking your site each time until you find the one responsible. After that, the next important step is to clear your cache. Clear your WordPress caching plugin cache if you're using one, clear your hosting cache from your hosting control panel, and also clear your browser cache. If you're using Cloudflare again later, make sure to purge the Cloudflare cache as well. Cached files can sometimes keep serving the timeout error even after you fix the issue. If the error still persists, it may be a resource limitation issue. Error 524 often happens when your server doesn't have enough resources to complete a request within the allowed time. In this case, consider upgrading your hosting plan to one that provides more CPU, RAM, or better performance. This is especially important if your site is growing or experiencing traffic spikes. Another very effective fix is increasing your PHP execution time. To do this, access your hosting control panel and locate your php.ini file. Increase the max_execution time value to something higher, such as 300 seconds. If you don't have access to php.ini, you can sometimes add this line to your .htaccess file or use set time limit 300 inside your wp-config.php file. This allows your server more time to process heavy requests without timing out. Once you've completed all these steps, re-enable Cloudflare by turning the DNS cloud back to orange and test your website again. In most cases, error 524 will be resolved after addressing plugins, caching, server resources, or PHP limits. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix error 524. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.